Trade is a basic economic concept involving the buying and selling of goods and services, with compensation paid by a buyer to a seller, or the exchange of goods or services between parties, broadly divided into domestic trade and foreign or international trade. A trade license is a certificate which grants the permission to carry on a particular trade or business for which it is issued. It does not confer ownership of property or permission for any other activity other than for which it is issued. Shopkeepers and traders of 17 towns of the city continue to receive notices, summons and arrest warrants from judicial magistrates for not paying the trade license fee for the last 3 years. City District Government of Karachi (CDGK) claimed that 3 years back, as per business category, they have introduced trade license fee. The license fee ranges from 100 rupees to 2,000 rupees as maximum. The government justified that the fee would be imposed on those businesses which fell in the category of dangerous trade like cloth, paper, wool, chemicals, plastic, furniture, electronic items, rubber, toys, shows, leather, paints, tents, etc., as these items may lead to fire or fatal accidents. Prior to introducing the fee, the CDGK issued advertisement in newspapers seeking suggestions from the trade bodies about the move, but the traders gave a very poor response while other trade associations totally rejected the fee. Trade licenses are issued by the local administration established by legislative bodies to regulate specific government activities and concerns. However, acquiring a license through fraud or misrepresentation will result in revocation of the license and penalties. The notices for trade license is issued under Section 96 Schedule 5 Part 2 of the Sindh Local Government Act 2013. Unfortunately, such notices are causing harassment as there is no awareness. To clear the concept and for convenience, reproducing Section 96, 1, subject to subsection 2, a council may levy, in the prescribed manner, all or any of the taxes, rates, tolls and fees mentioned in Schedule 5, provided that where a tax, rate or toll which is levied as a cess, tax or surcharge by government, such tax, rate or toll shall not be more than that levied by government, provided further that where a tax, toll or fees is leviable both by the Metropolitan Corporation and a district municipal corporation, the district municipal corporation shall not levy such tax. Schedule V deals with the taxes, rates, tolls and fees which may be levied by the Karachi Metropolitan Corporation, corporations, municipalities and district councils. The notice also state that in case of non-compliance under Section 132 and 136 penal actions will be exercised. For convince, reproduced Chapter 15 Offences, Penalties and Enforcement. Section 132, 1. The offences specified in 6th Schedule shall be liable to punishment by way of imprisonment, fine, seizure, forfeiture, confiscation and impounding and such other penalties as are provided in this Act. Section 136. No court shall take cognizance of any offence under this Act except on a complaint in writing received from the mayor or chairman or a person generally or specially authorized by the council in this behalf. Schedule V specify a. Offences under the Act, b. Offences where ticket can be issued. Attention is invited to Chapter 16 Miscellaneous. Section 139. 1. A council may, and if required by government shall, make bylaws not inconsistent with the rules, for carrying out the purposes of this Act. The business community is already burdened with socio-economic pressure. The trade license fee is not unfair, but the way notices were served and the physical interaction is causing concerns. It is suggested instead of collecting challan from the department, the form along with challan should be uploaded along with account details for deposit. After all, it's the revenue that matters. Saria.